Hi, my name is Steve Milton, and this is my Enhancement 3 presentation. There were 3 tasks that we had to do in this presentation, and the first one was to convert the nav bar to a PHP call into the categories table, and then populating the nav bar with all those categories. And that's what happened here. The home we're forcing in, as that it's not in the table, and then these others are all pulled straight from the categories table. The second thing we had to do was we had to create a login page, and this is referenced, or this is accessed through the My Account button. So you click on My Account, and you notice up here now it's doing the index.php action login. So then it's going calling PHP to go and extract the login page. So this is the login page. All these buttons, all these things are functional. If you leave these things blank, it will give you a warning saying you got to fill these fields out, so these fields are required. And the same is true with the password. If you put something in here, actually it's pretty cool here. If it's not valid, it'll tell you it's still not a valid email, so you have to put an @ and then whatever, something dot whatever. And then if I do that, it still tells me this has got to be filled out as well, so I got to put something there. And then at that point, you click on login, and it does its thing. At this point, login's not really doing anything, so that will be a future enhancement, I'm sure. And it just refreshes this. The next screen we were supposed to create was a registration screen. So if they're not a member, they would click on Create an Account, and this is where that's accessed. So this page is actually calling another page, or another PHP page, to go and create the account. So we click on that, and then it pulls up this Acme registration page. So they're all put in the first name, last name. All these fields, once again, are required. So please fill out field, please fill out field, fill out field, fill out field. So they're all required to be filled out. If I click on register right now, it'll tell me this has got to be filled. So I'll put something here. Do the same thing here. It tells me this has got to be filled. So all these are required fields. I'll put in my email address. If I leave it, so the same thing. Okay. Once again, this is not actually doing anything at this point, but I'm sure it will in a future enhancement, but that's it. So all my pages still work. It takes me back to that. Let me get that. I don't need that. But once I click on that, it takes me back to my home page, which is pretty cool. I didn't realize it did that. But that's it. Thank you.